Hello, is anybody home? I'm from the U.S. Embassy, and I'm looking for Ayala Salipao. Is this his residence?
Yes.
I had a hard time looking for this place, finding its location. You know what time it is?
Yes.
No, the time. What time it is. I wonder how late I am.
Yes.
Well, could I come in?
Yeah, come outside.
Okay.
Come
thank you.
outside. Up. Do not enter. Beware of dog. Here. Chumel! Ayan na!
Chong!
Sandali yan, lumabas ka rito. Dali!
Chong.
Kayo na nga kumausap dito, ha? Nakakapikon to, hindi ko maintindihan eh, ha? Ha? Nagulo ang English niyan. Sasapakin ko yan.
Hello, I'm from the U.S. Embassy. I'm looking for Ayala Salipao.
Kuya, US Embassy daw. Baka CIA yan. Naku, Embassy. Hindi ba nagkakabombahan sa Embassy? Naku, baka pangbintangan tayo niyan, ha?
Which one of you is Ayala?
It's him. Him. No, him. He's him.
Listen, I haven't got time to waste. I'm here to inform you that your Uncle Johnny died in America.
Oh, ang gulo na naman, ang gulo magsalita eh. Hindi maintindihan, ano ba sinabi?
Chong! Patay na daw si Uncle Johnny! Namatay sa Amerika!
Patay si Johnny?
Oo!
Di dapat mamatay yun eh. Parang kapatid ko yun eh. Mahal na mahal ako nun. Eh.
And I'm here to tell you that he left you a very large amount of money.
Ano sabi?
Nag-iwan daw ng pera.
Ha? Magkano?
How much?
A very large amount.
Malaki daw, Chong!
Ha? Buti na batay!
Ha?
Walang iya yun eh. Inaatay ko nun eh. Mukhang kwarta yun eh. Buti na matay.
You have to come with me to the bank tomorrow to find out just how much.
Bukas daw, pumunta tayo sa bangko para kunin yung pera.
Ganun? Kukunin natin? Sige.
Goodbye.
Bye! Thank you!
Kuya, okay! Mayaman na tayo! Bukas, ang gagawin na lang natin, pupunta tayo sa bangko, Chong. Teka. Anong bangko? Maraming bangko, ah.